Good morning, Mr. Lurie and fellow classmates. My name is Rinkle, and the song that I've chosen to talk about is Hero 4 by Rise Against. This song was released in May 2009. The topic of this song is mainly how media has incorrectly portrayed serving free countries. This song talks about how hard it actually is to be at war. Soldiers know that they're doing wrong, but still do it since it's their job. For example, these lyrics.
They pissed in his hands. I told them to stop, but then I joined in.
This song helps show that even though the soldiers who serve in the army may be called heroes, some may not think of themselves as one because of all they've seen. The song lastly also discusses that one may fight for his or her country because of their pride for it, as shown in the following lyrics. I will carry this flag to the grave if I must, because it's a flag that I love and a flag that I trust. In conclusion, I'd say the song states that heroism is about one's perspective. This is also heard in these lyrics. Moving on to society and the song. For this song, I couldn't really pick one specific event that may have caused inspiration towards the song, but all wars in general. For example, World War I, World War II, the Vietnam War, and many more. A war that was actually going on during the release of this song was the Gaza War. Propaganda was something that has always been around during wars, making people believe that being a soldier is such a glorious thing, and that fighting for your country makes you a real man or woman. Society today, I believe, has somewhat changed since then. As today in history classes, students are taught all about the wars and the circumstances the soldiers had to fight in, even about the mental issues they dealt with post-war, such as post-traumatic stress disorder. One person who I feel could relate to this song is Romeo Dallaire. Romeo Dallaire, as you may know, served as a force commander of the United Nations Assistance Mission for Rwanda. He had tried to stop the genocide that had gone on between the Tutsis and Hutu. He had done a phenomenal job and saved the lives of many. After the genocide, he had suffered with post-traumatic stress disorder, depression, and attempted suicide because of all he had saw. Today, he is a great supporter for raising awareness of veterans and their mental health. Although he himself might not see himself as a hero, many others, including myself, do. Moving on to who the audience for this song might be. I believe that this song is targeted towards society as a whole, maybe most likely media, and people who think that fighting a war is something that you do just to be a hero. Also for the soldiers who have fought so they can relate. Lastly, after going through YouTube comments for this song, and also on the other sites that talked about this song, I have noticed some people who have served themselves are having issues with this song. For example, people did not agree with the lyric, "They pissed in his hands." So I feel that some soldiers themselves would also have opposing opinions on the way the song is made, since they don't believe it's accurate enough. In conclusion, I believe that this song was made to show how wrong people can be about war. This song depicts fighting for your country is a tough thing to do. Although people may praise you and call you their hero, at the end of the day, it all comes down to what you think of yourself. Thanks for listening.